Thank you so much, President Laos, for your warm welcome and continued partnership with DOST-NCR. And now, to deliver her opening message, please welcome our Regional Director of DOST-NCR, Engineer Romelan T. Trisvalias.
Dr. Anthony Sulitin Jr., USC Secretary, Congressman Antolin A. Oreta, Malabon City District Representative, Undersecretary Sancho A. Magorang, Undersecretary Ted Gatchalian, President Angelo Q. Lajos, Dr. Teresito Bacolcol of DBOX, Dr. Julius Viana of USC-PTRI, Engineer Bob Dison of UST MIRTC, Director Ronnie Ortesa of the USTP of Philippine Science High School System, Jail Superintendent Lady Noel P. Montalvo of BGMP-NCR, all our partners from government institutions, local government units, our partners from the academy, our partners from the industry, magagandang ladies at mga gwapong gentlemen, isang makaagham na umaga po sa ating lahat. Today we gather at a moment of great possibility. The world around us is changing faster than ever. In our cities, in our communities, in our climate, in our economies, and even in the way we connect with each other. Some may call this era uncertain, but we at the UST-NCR choose to call it transformative. Because when change is constant, science gives us the tools to understand it, and innovation gives us the courage to shape it. Today, as we open the 2025 Regional Science, Technology, and Innovation Week in the National Capital Region, we are invited to reimagine not just the cities we live in, but the kind of future we want to build. A future that is smart, sustainable, and inclusive. The theme Building Smart and Sustainable Communities is more than just a vision statement. It is a call to action. A reminder that even as we marvel at technology's speed, we must never forget its purpose. To uplift lives, to narrow divides, and to leave no one behind. In a world challenged by climate change, rapid urbanization, social inequality, it is science, technology, and innovation that light the path forward. And that's why RSTW 2025 is designed not just as an exhibition, but as an experience that is open for all. Every forum, every showcase, every conversation this week, one message echoes clearly. Science is not just about invention, it is about inclusion. Beyond the exhibits, beyond the lights and the launches, this celebration carries a deeper truth. Science is not a luxury reserved for a few, it is a lifeline meant for all. Through our campaign, Science Beyond Borders, the UST-NCR continues to break the walls that separate laboratories from communities, research from real life, and knowledge from compassion. We believe that science is not confined within test tubes or computer codes. It is alive in the small farmer learning to use weather data to protect his crops, in the young maker building his first prototype in a shared laboratory, in the barangay health worker using innovation to deliver faster care. Science lives in every Filipino who dares to dream of a better life and works with others to make it real. The Filipino spirit has always been one of strength and reinvention. We have seen typhoons wash away homes, yet not hope. We have faced challenges that could have divided us, yet we choose collaboration over competition. That same spirit is what drives our scientists, our innovators, our community leaders to build a future where technology serves humanity and where innovation means inclusion. In truth, our goal is not just to make cities smarter, it is also to make them kinder, fairer, and more humane. Because what good is a smart city if it does not listen to the needs of its people? What good is progress if it leaves the poor behind? So, as we open this year's RSPW, let this gathering remind us that every innovation is an act of empathy, that every research is a step towards equality, and that every breakthrough, no matter how small, brings us closer to a nation where science is not just understood but also felt. That is what we call Agham Naramdam, science that is lived, shared, and experienced. Science that does not just measure impact, but science that makes it. Science that opens doors, uplifts communities, and transforms lives. Together, let us continue to build that future. One idea, one innovation, one compassionate act at a time. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang agham at teknolohiya para sa mga Pilipino at para sa bayan. Kami po bilang isang PUST ay patuloy na magbibigay ng solusyon at magbubukas ng oportunidad para sa lahat. Mabuhay ang Agham Naramdam. Muli isang makaagham na umaga po sa ating lahat.